Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. It has been unanimously agreed that Imam Bukhari's work is the most authentic of all the other works in hadith literature put together. The authenticity of Al-Bukhari's work is such that the religious learned scholars of Islam said concerning him, the most authentic book after the book of Allah, that is Al-Quran, is Sahih Al-Bukhari. Imam Bukhari was born on 13th Shawwal in the year of 194 after Hijri in Bukhara in the territory of Khurasan, that is west of Turkestan. His real name is Muhammad bin Ismail bin al-Mughira al-Bukhari. His father died when he was still a young child, and he was looked after by his mother. At the age of 10, he started acquiring the knowledge of hadith. He traveled to Mecca when he was 16 years old, accompanied by his mother and elder brother. It seemed as though Imam Bukhari loved Mecca and its learned religious scholars, for he remained in Mecca after bidding farewell to his mother and brother. He spent 2 years in Mecca and then went to Al-Madinah. After spending a total of 6 years in Al-Hijaz, which comprises Mecca and Al-Madinah, he left for Basra, Kufa, and Baghdad, and visited many other places including Egypt and Syria. My dear brother and sister, then he came to Baghdad on many occasions. He met many religious learned scholars including Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal. Owing to his honesty and kindness and the fact that he was trustworthy, he used to keep away from the princes and the rulers for fear that he may incline to say things to please them. My dear audience, many a story has been told about Imam Bukhari, recording his struggles in collecting hadith literature. He traveled to many different places, gathering the precious gems that fell from the lips of the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is said that Imam Bukhari collected over 3 lakhs hadith, and he himself memorized 2 lakhs, of which some were unreliable. He was born at a time when hadith was being forged either to please the rulers or kings or to corrupt the religion of Islam. It is said that Imam Bukhari, before compiling Sahih Al-Bukhari, saw in a dream standing in front of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, having a fan in his hand and driving away the flies from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Imam Bukhari asked some of those who interpret dreams, and they interpreted his dream that he will drive away the falsehood asserted against the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So it was a great task for him to sift the forged hadiths from the authentic ones. He labored day and night, and although he had memorized such a large number, he only chose approximately 7,275 with repetition and about 2,230 without repetition, of which there is no doubt about their authenticity. My dear brothers and sisters, before he recorded each hadith, he would make ablution and offer a 2 rakat prayer and supplicate his Allah. Many religious scholars of Islam tried to find fault in the great remarkable collection Sahih Al-Bukhari, but without success. It is for this reason they unanimously agreed that the most authentic book after the book of Allah is Sahih Al-Bukhari. Imam Bukhari died on 1st Shawwal in the year of 256 after Hijri and was buried in Khartang, a village near Samarkand. May Allah have mercy on his soul. Ameen. Jazallahu anna Muhammadan ma huwa ahluhu sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Ameen.